Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make photo collage on Picsart. To get started, let's open Picsart. This is your home page. So here click on the plus icon. Now you can see there is many options. Go to Collage and click on it. And now here select the photo that you want to make photo collage. For now, let me select some photos from my gallery. You can select about 10 photos. Now click on next button. So in this way you can make collage photo on Picsart. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.